And here we have the abandoned Triumph TR7 project, registration mark 97 YTU, which I believe was a Midas or Ferrous gold fixed head with Webasto roof. And in fact, if you look carefully, you'll find the remnants of two further TR7s that were sacrificed in order to make good this restoration. So at first glance, we've got a couple of stock engines, each complete with all the ancillaries. This one's quite pretty, powder coated items. I believe that to be the original engine. As we scan across the body shell, it's had extensive work. We've got a brand new inner wing. When I bought it, I was told to believe it was the last one in the country. That alone cost me around about £800. We can see inside the engine bay, it's very good. We've got ourselves a new inner arch, and there's another one over here somewhere. There it is. There's the arch for the opposite side. If we glance for the floors, you can see that most of the sections have now been added and welded. I can see new inner sills, for example, and we can see this seam weld, lots of seam welding around as various plates and panels have gone into place. There's the outer sill. Again, it's new. There's not a great deal wrong with this this body. We can see we've got rear quarters, wings, arch repairs here. There's another set on the top of, again, rear quarters and wing. And whilst we're up here, refurbished wheels. In fact, as you run through most of the components, including this rear axle, for example, you've seen they've had a good deal of work on them. There's a cross member here, again powder coated. As we look under there, you can see hubs, steering racks, neck shelf, various lights, boxes, ancillaries. You can see that the racking's actually two tiers deep. There's a lot of sorting out to do in here. I've seen at least 2 boot lids, 3 doors. Looks to be a powder coated front scuttle there. Steering wheel on rack. You can see that a new boot floor has been grafted in from the red donor car. Just going back to the body shell, the minor imperfections are just these dots around here, like so. Not so bad. That is a second roof, which was purchased just for giving up a few plates and panels. There's the original roof, and just at the end there you can see a hole which can easily be remedied with a supply panel. Lots of further patch panels here to round off the interior. I've got to say, I believe that everything you need is right here, right now, other than perhaps a carpet. For extra special goodies, having powder coated wheels and powder coated this and that wasn't enough. Amongst all the bits and pieces, it was a very serious project. We have there brake caliper sets, new still in the bag. We've got these control arms there, polybushed. Look, there's another one in here as well. Matching pairs. There's a lot of this stuff brand new. floating around. Keep looking. You can see the prop shaft there. I can see starter motor over there. Wiper motor down there, looks like all the switch gear and stuff. Look, there's some new bags in here as well. Lord only knows what's in those things. A couple of gearboxes. I believe both to be 5-speed. Exhaust. See the dashboard, clocks, trim panels. So let's just run over this. I'll pop round to the opposite side, see what we can see. Boot floor looks great. Here we are. Said inner and outer sills. We've got the front arch with a bonnet there, given up off the red car. Red car's given up a couple of arches there. Maybe they're just for patch welding. Rubbers. There we go. There's the Webasto. With a panel for the in. But there you go. That's the ring and the other wing and rear quarter. So that's 2 front wings, two rear quarters. Patch panels, arches, sills on, new inner wing, desirable number plate, 3 owners including 2 family members. It's all been jigged up, keep it straight. That's the original tartan interior for this particular car, like so. Spare interior, second boot lid, third door, might be the fourth door, I don't know. Obviously it needs a good sort, but I think anyone who knows TR7s appreciates the value and the scarcity and the amount of work and effort that's already gone into this.